Unpacking, Fill the Snack Bowl, a simple guide to everyday English. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into a very common English phrase that you might hear in everyday conversations. Fill the snack bowl. Understanding these simple phrases can greatly improve your comfort and fluency in English. So, let's get started and explore what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily life. Fill the snack bowl is a straightforward command or request that involves two key components, fill and snack bowl. To fill means to make something full or to put as much of something into a container as it can hold. A snack bowl is a container, often found in kitchens or living rooms, used to hold small food items or snacks that people can eat casually, perhaps during a gathering, a movie night, or just as a part of daily life. This phrase is commonly used in casual settings, especially during social gatherings or family time. Here are a few scenarios where fill the snack bowl might come into play. Preparing for a movie night at home, someone might ask a family member to fill the snack bowl with popcorn. Hosting a party, you might ask your friend to fill the snack bowl with chips, nuts, or candies for the guests. During a casual work meeting where snacks are available, a colleague might suggest someone fill the snack bowl, if it's empty, to ensure everyone has access to snacks. Understanding the phrase, fill the snack bowl, also offers insight into the informal and communal nature of English-speaking cultures, especially in settings like home or social gatherings where sharing food is common. Variations of this phrase can include, refill the snack bowl, if the bowl is already empty or nearly so. Top up the snack bowl, adding more snacks to a bowl that's not completely empty but not full either. Load up the snack tray, similar to fill the snack bowl, but referring to a tray instead of a bowl. We hope this guide helps you understand not just the phrase, fill the snack bowl, but also gives you a glimpse into the casual, communal aspects of English-speaking cultures. Remember, learning a language is not just about the words, but also about the context and culture they reflect. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll find yourself more comfortable and fluent in English. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.